Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your astrological sign on Snapchat. So let's start. First, open the Snapchat app. Now go to your profile from top left corner. On your profile just under your name you'll see a purple button. That's your astrological sign. If you tap on that you'll see all of your astrological information. Now let me show you how to change your astrological sign. Now go back to your profile. And tap on the settings icon on top right corner. Now tap on your birthday. Then tap on date. Now change your birthday and then tap continue and tap OK. Now go back to your account. Close your profile and then go to your profile again. And you'll see that your astrological sign is changed. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.